Okay, listen up everyone. This is important. This is an air fryer and it's made of glass and it's got a stainless steel cage or grill. The reason I'm making this video is air frying has been a very popular, healthy way of cooking over the last several years. The problem is with most air fryers out there, they have a Teflon coated basket. So although technically air frying your food is the healthy way of cooking, especially when you're cooking meat, but if the basket that you're cooking it in is lined with Teflon or BPAs or other PFEs, then you're kind of defeating the purpose of healthy cooking. Even those paper, the little paper trays, the filters that you put in them, doesn't really do any good because you're still getting the fumes from the Teflon that coats the basket of the air fryer. So I recommend that you get one of these. I got this on Amazon. It's glass top, glass bowl, stainless steel grill, and it works great. I've had this thing for about a year and I use it almost every day and it's been great. I will post a link to this air fryer in the description. It is an Amazon link. I bought this on Amazon and I will post a link to it. So please consider getting one of these air fryers that is much healthier than the one with the Teflon coated basket in it. Again, this is stainless steel with a stainless steel grill with a glass bowl. No BPAs, no PFEs, no Teflon. This is the healthiest air fryer so far that I am aware of. Thank you for watching.